I have addressed blocking buyers before, and it answered the question, does eBay care if we block buyers? What if we block a lot of buyers? Because we're having a lot of problems. eBay does not care. It's your business. It's your business who you sell to. eBay is fine with that. You don't have to give a reason. It just doesn't matter. I hate to bring this up because now that I tell you, you will be thinking about this from now on every time you might block somebody. If you block somebody and they get angry at you, they can have a friend of theirs buy from you and give you negative feedback, something like that. That's always possible. But everything negative's always possible. Everyone can return everything we sell. Everyone, everything can arrive damaged. Everything can be a problem, but most of the time, there aren't problems in this business, at least in the eBay reselling world. Most of the time, you don't deal with problems. In this group especially, as you're growing in this group, you're more than able to be able to handle any problems that come up and to eliminate problems and not ever let them happen to begin with. So you're not going to have problems generally ever. I'm going to show you how to block it. The way that you block a buyer, I guess you cannot see the address. So the way that you block a buyer is go to ebay.com/bmgt/uppercase buyer block. Bookmark that. I assume that you're saving a bunch of eBay bookmarks and you've got a whole bunch of them. I've got one right here that says block buyers, and it's this address, this web address. And my very important links for eBay, I actually put their own link up here. I don't have them in a folder because I want immediate access to my seller hub, immediate access to my current listings, immediate access to what sold so that I can print labels, immediate access to Terapeak, and I want to know what things are costing each day when I sell them. You go to the very bottom of the list and you put your mouse cursor here, and you click and you look at that text right there. That blinking text cursor. There's the mouse cursor, and then there's that blinking cursor called the text cursor, and then there's this I-beam, which is whenever you're over a text field, your mouse cursor changes to that. Anyway, when that is blinking, I hope you can see it, but if you can't, all I did, so I was outside here, I went to the bottom of this. They don't have to be in alphabetical order. It looks like these are. That's because eBay will alphabetize them. All you do is go to the bottom of the list, and you have to click here. You have to type a comma, and then you type the username. So, I don't know. Let's say that there's some fraudulent, lying, thieving, just a real bad man, okay? It may not even be his fault anymore. Maybe he's senile. He's just wicked and evil, okay? Everything that he does, he's just a puppet of other eBayers. I don't know, but let's say that his username happened to be, and we just want to block him. We want him out of our life. We don't want him interfering with our life ever again. So we type his username right here. And just typed his username, and then we can click submit. And whenever I click submit, that person will no longer be a problem in our lives. Oh, if it were only that easy.